Hey guys, I'm Jeff Mack with Jeff Mack Designs, and today we're going to give you guys a shop tour. So some of the newest stock we've got are these olive wood cookies. So these are all from Italy. They're about 10 to 14 inches in diameter, so they're perfect for charcuterie boards, sort of wedding centerpieces, DIY projects, that sort of thing. And then on this wall, we've got all of our finishes, our eco-epoxy, we've got tons of pigments, we sell some hairpins. We try to cover all the pieces that you need for a DIY project so that you can buy the slab and everything you need to finish it so that you can go home and work on the project. These Granite slabs are fairly new and they're pretty unique. We don't come across this species too often. This wood's from Mexico. It's all been flattened. It's ready to be made into coffee tables or benches or whatever DIY projects people have on the go. So this sample's for a client in Green Bay. They're building a bar that's across the street from Lambeau Field. So the idea with this sample is to get the colors just right so it matches the Green Bay Packer colors. And they wanted to see how the two colors would mix in the middle if we poured each color from each end. So this is Claro Walnut. These are pieces cut right off of their slab that we're going to use. And we've already sent photos off and got approval, so stay tuned and we'll be working on this one soon. This here is a sample piece. So we took a Pau Ferro cookie and we built a form and we poured eco-epoxy liquid plastic. It was poured 2 days ago, so it's pretty much ready to pull out of the form. But we're probably gonna wait another day just to be on the safe side, and then we'll sand it all up, clean it up, and then it'll be a good sample piece for clients to see what the epoxy looks like without any pigment. Next up, we've got this desk. So we custom built this for a local client. He came in, he had an idea, and he wanted to incorporate the Canadian leaf, or the maple leaf, into the table. So we came up with this sort of half leaf design. Used the fire truck red pigment from eco-epoxy, and it's only about 1 inch thick, just under 1 inch, and the client supplied the legs, so these are going to be on the adjustable desk legs, so the client can raise and lower the desk when they want. Just made out of dimensional lumber, so it's nice and clean, no live edge on this piece. So yeah, kind of cool, a little bit unique. We don't normally do this sort of style of desk, but I think we'll be doing a lot more of these because it was really well received.
How long did it take to make it?
Something like this maybe takes 8 to 10 hours, 8 to 10 man hours. So, but it's over the course of a few days because we've got to build the form, let the silicone cure so that we don't get any leaks, and then we pour it, wait 72 hours for the eco-epoxy to cure, and then we can start sanding it and oiling it and getting all the finishing touches on it. This is the offcut from this maple leaf desk. So we used the Shaper Origin to cut this profile. And after we took it off, we thought it would be a cool idea to do a charcuterie board with this profile and incorporate a little bit of live edge. So we took a piece of live edge out of our retail space, traced the profile out, flush trimmed it, and this is where we're at with this piece. So this is gonna be a charcuterie board, probably end up being a giveaway if you subscribe to our channel, but we'll probably get it finished up this week or next week and then announce the giveaway. Next up, we're gonna show you guys some of these samples. So we got these pieces cut. We sent them, we share a building with Keyway Designs, so we had them laser engrave all of the names. So this is all the black diamond pigments that we carry. And we're actually gonna pour these today so that on our online store, you can see the finished colors of what they look like, and they'll be in store as well. So when clients come in and they want to pick a color, they can reference to these boards to get an idea of what the color looks like when it's finished. Next up is this elm island top. So this was made from 2 slabs of elm. The client wanted a black river up the middle, so we went with a solid black. This is ready to go out. We'll just have to clean it up and get it wrapped up so when the client picks it up, they can transport it safely.
Where's it going?
This is a local client. I think they're in Mississauga. so not too far from our shop. Probably half of our jobs are local and the other half are shipping to other parts of Canada or going over to the US. This table, we shipped it out yesterday. Well, the client came and picked it up yesterday. It's going into a office building downtown. It's a conference table for Clearbank, and someone calculated something wrong and the table did not fit into the elevator. So we're working with a designer on this one, and it was either the designer or the contractor who kind of made a mistake with measuring. So we're a little bit large right now, so they're gonna send us the final dimensions that we need to trim this table down to. So it's kind of unfortunate, but it's part of the job, and yeah, we'll trim it down, we'll make it look nice, and then get that table re-delivered so that the client can enjoy it. Next up is this coffee table. We built this coffee table a few months ago, and we love the look of it, but we're just not happy with how stable it is. So right now you can see it's got a little bit of movement side to side due to the kind of minimal design of the legs. So we're actually gonna add some dowels underneath to help stabilize the legs and give it a bit more stability. These are all charcuterie boards that are priced and ready to go into the retail space. So we often cut our boards down to 2, 4, and 6 foot so that our DIY clients and other makers can buy only what they need. They're not stuck buying an 8-foot board and then having to haul it home in their car and have to cut it down here. And so this is just out of convenience for our customers. We offer these shorter lengths that are very DIY friendly and very user friendly. Next up, we got our pinball machine, which we're planning on releasing in the coming weeks. It's been kind of sitting here idle because we're just making sure that our program is perfect so that when we sell it, the end user has an easy time with the program and building it, and we don't want to release something that's not fully ready for the public. So it's coming very soon and it'll be available on our website, but for now you just have to wait until it's perfect. And then the last thing is this pile of slabs. So this is all Canadian walnut. They started out as some bigger slabs and we cut some into coffee table size slabs, and then these are all desk size slabs or large coffee table size slabs. So these have all been kiln dried, flattened, sanded to 80 grit. They're ready for clients to come in, buy the slab, take it home, sand it, oil it, and then you have a coffee table. Thanks for watching, guys. We love sharing our shop with you guys, so we would love it if you left us some comments below about what you like and don't like, and maybe we can turn this into a weekly thing if it's well received. So hit that like, share, comment, let us know what you think.